Hi there, students. Fringe. Okay, fringe is a noun. It can also be an adjective and a verb as well. The fringe of something is the outer area, the area near the edge. So he lives on the fringe of the city, on the outer edge of the city where the city almost finishes. His ball landed on the fringe of the green. This is golf. On the edge of the green bit near the hole, on the fringe. A fringe is also often a decorative border. Normally something with threads hanging down, just individual threads. So, for example, a Persian carpet normally has fringes at either end. A fringed lampshade. So there are things hanging down from the edge of the lampshade. That is the fringe. In British English, we use fringe to talk about your haircut. The fringe is the hair that comes over your forehead. Yeah, my hair's a bit too short to have a fringe, but if it came down like this, that would be a fringe, yeah? Particularly when this is straight across, but then you could have a parting and the fringe disappears. So you could say his fringe is getting in his eyes and it needs cutting. Now, we often use fringe as an adjective to describe something that is marginal, additional, secondary. So this job has various fringe benefits. Well, the main benefit's probably the pay. But the fringe benefits, you can use the company swimming pool. You have free access to the company server. These are extra fringe benefits, additional benefits. Okay, you could also use fringe to mean something that is not the main thing. So kayaking was a fringe sport until the late 1970s. So non-mainstream. Very often they use fringe to mean extremist as well. The lunatic fringe of politics. Yeah, they are totally extremist. Or in Edinburgh every year there's a very large arts festival, and this also has a fringe festival. So you have the official festival, and then hundreds of artists of different types go to Edinburgh to perform unofficially in the fringe festival. Okay, so it's secondary or on the edge of the main festival. So fringe, the edge of something, the fringes of the garden. Fringe, threads hanging down, the fringe, a fringe skirt, so with threads hanging down. Your fringe, the hair over the front of your head. Fringe, talking about a metaphorical edge. He lives on the fringes of society. This is on the fringes of legality. Yes, his tastes are on the fringes of society. And then fringe, something secondary, additional. Fringe benefits, the Fringe Festival. Yeah, it's non-mainstream. Or extremist, far-right fringe political parties. And then notice as well as a verb, to fringe, to go round the edge of. So the wood was fringed by a road. The river was fringed, was edged with flowers. Okay, so it's got quite a lot of meanings, but it's all talking about going round the edge of. So, what about formality? I think I'd give this word a 5 in formality. I think it's neutral, and I think you could use it just about anywhere, informal and formal. And then the origin, well, in Old English or Middle English there was a word fringe, meaning the fringe, and then Latin fimbriae, which are talking about fibres or threads or a fringe. So that's where you get the fringe of the carpet or the fringed skirt. Okay, so fringe. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fringe.